가방 잃어버렸어. 아빠.
Grab a couple cans.
When you get there. Bye bye 나가마. Bye bye. 태우야, 우리 가방 잃어버렸어 지금. 웃을 때가 아니야.
아니에요.
아니요. 아니야, 웃어도 돼? 태우야, 아빠가 가방 안 들고 되는데 찾을 수 있겠지? 찾을 수 있어요. 찾을 수 있어요.
어떡해. 저분 또 내리네. 알았는데 눈이 다쳐.
네,
맞아요.
忘れ物でちょっと登録してます。ごめんなさい、今日の日にちからお願いします。お待たせしました、お水です。 ご注文伺います。
아빠. 태우야, 건지건지는 건지건지 건지건지.
Nice, what a nice night.
Yeah.
Theo. Point. Which one do you like?
한국어는 알아듣지 너?
누구지?
엄마 어디야?
누구지?
엄마.
태우야, 누구야?
아빠 저기 있어. 호텔이 여기서 가깝다며?
네, 그렇대요.
밤에 저기 장미가 지금 되게 예쁘거든?
밤에도
공원에.
예뻐요?
밤에도 예뻐. 걸어가자. 산책. 거기서 잘 지냈어?
네.
아 그래?
프랑스에서요.
다행이네. 우리 엄마도 잘 있었지.
아, 너무 잘해주셨어요.
원래 챙겨주는 거 좋아하셔.
진짜 너무 막 대접 같고.
여름 되면 여기 예쁜데.
Some of your change.
Oh, look at them. They have a fried fish there and the tail
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Very nice. Uh-oh.
It's huh?
A secret clubhouse. Everyone's in there.
How did you say, oh, thank you for like, all our family and friends coming.
Yeah, I was just joking, like,
Yeah.
no, it isn't.
Yeah.
To an unhealthy degree.
Oh, please. Yeah.
That.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Very nice. They would like that.
I'll grow my hair long. Grow my hair
Yeah.
long.
So pretty.
Cans.
Lunch special.
French fries.
Lunch
French
special.
fries.
soy sauce in this dish. We had some, but even
이거 탈 거야 이모.
난다.
But at night it's so beautiful.
I saw that picture.
My rooster, my best Godzilla pose.
Bingo.
There's some place else around here if you guys want to. I gave one to your sister earlier, but
Hamburger.
Yeah, some days are good, some days.
Someday it'll be over.
Someday it'll be over. Yeah.
Oh, my baby.
Power of the internet. Yeah. Thank goodness for that. Thank goodness for that. Wait, don't let go.
I got him.
Okay.
Now he's all yours. No. 우리 아마 울 거야. 우리 아마 울면
Well, it's more than likely the next time we see you, you're going to be walking and
Oh, yeah.
probably running.
like we just wrote a little card. Here's one for you and Dad, and one for Grandpa and Grandma. It's a yummy
Thank you.
Japanese castella.
Awesome.
There's a little card there.
Thank you.
Cody and the bookmark for Cody and
Oh,
Lauren.
nice.
With a little written card. On the
Aw,
face.
thank you. Thank
Hopefully
you.
they can take.
Not sad. It's just
Of course.
it's just hard. But
We'll see you again soon.
I know.
Before you know it.
Thank you for arranging all of our things. Appreciate it. Yeah. Love you. Just keep passing it down the line. Now he's like, Mom. He's like, what is that?
Oh, the bike.
Bye.
Love you, Mom. Love you, Dad.
Please text us when you get there. Let us know.